For the certain car repair, the total charge consisted of a charge for the parts, a charge for the labor. So we have several parts of it: charge for the parts, charge for the labor, and a 6% sale tax on both the charges for the parts and the charge of the labor. That means we can say that the total cost, the total charge, should be equal to 1.06, that is to calculate the 6% sales tax plus the parts cost and the labor cost. If the charge for part excluding the sales tax was $50, so P is equal to $50, what was the total charge for the repair? So to calculate the total charge, we already have the value of P, so all that we need is the labor charges. So we need to find out the value of labor charges using the statements. So let's check. The first statement says that the sales tax on the charge of labor was $9.6, and the sales tax calculated on any charge is 6%, which means sales tax will be equal to 6% of the labor charge, and that is equal to $9.6. Now this gives us exact value of L. We do not have to get into the calculation. However, if you want, you can write 9.6 times 100 divided by 6, which means 960 divided by 6, so the labor charge becomes equal to 160. We can substitute the values of P and L over here and the total charge can be calculated. So the first statement alone is sufficient to answer the question. The answer now has to be either option A or option D. The second statement says that the total sales tax was $12.6. Now the total sales tax means 6% of parts plus the labor cost is equal to $12.6. Also we know that the charge for the parts is $50. So we can substitute the value of P here. Now we have an equation in only one variable. That means we again have the exact value of L, which will again be $160. So the second statement also is sufficient to answer the question, and therefore the final answer of the question becomes option D, because each statement alone is sufficient. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Thank you so much.